made it to Arizona, right on the other side of California basically, and we were looking for some minerals, specifically fluorite. But we're in an old mining district. There's still mining operations going on. We could hear last night when we camped, so we got to camp right here at this nice spot. Had to move a bunch of stuff with Bob's old shovel he gave us. By the way, Bob, that shovel has done very well when it comes into digging us out of things. But anyways, yeah, we had a good view waking up, and the sun rose over that way, which was nice. So we got a really great view up here. But we're going to be going down to the mine where the fluorite's probably at. We're going to go explore some. So we were going to take the road down there, but with the decline and inclination, or whatever, the grade was just way too steep. We didn't want to try busting it to go up. It reminded us a little bit of the Brooklyn mine, but it's okay. We're not too far from the mine. Callie's happy. She got her little booties on. She's running around everywhere. Callie, come on. Go in, we'll see what we can find and get out of here.
As we step cautiously into the yawning mouth of the abandoned gold mine, the oppressive darkness envelops us like a heavy cloak, swallowing even the faintest glimmers of light. The air is thick with the scent of damp earth and the musty remnants of centuries past. The mine, a relic of Arizona's rich history, stands frozen in time. Once a bustling hub of activity, echoing with clang of pickaxes and the rumble of ore carts, it now lies eerily silent, haunted by the ghosts of miners long ago. As we tread deeper into its labyrinth depths, the walls seem to close in around us, suffocating in their oppressive embrace. Our mission is clear: to seek out the elusive green fluorite said to lurk within these ancient tunnels, a gemstone coveted for its spectral beauty. But as we navigate the twisting passages, every shadow seems to flicker and dance. The very walls seem to whisper secrets, tales of hardship and toil, of lives lost and fortune squandered in the pursuit of gold. And yet, amidst the darkness, there is a strange allure, a primal urge to uncover the treasure hidden within.
You see her just opened up, and you have the actual different types of minerals here. You see the quartz or calcite.
But as we press on, our footsteps echoing hollowly against the stone floor, a sense of unease gnaws at the edge of our consciousness.
So it's really nice because you can, I can stand up, but I got plenty of room here.
It's really nice because I'm standing on a freaking sauna right now.
And Megan's happy because she can take off her jacket.
It's got hot.
And so, with our hearts pounding and nerves frayed, we ventured deeper into the heart of the mine. Our quest for green fluorite overshadowed by the ever-present specter of the unknown.
You see the green. You see the green.
No way.
So you can see the green fluorite up there. It's in there. You probably can't see it. But it's all around. Wow. This is incredible. The whole wall full. Oh my gosh, look at this. Up there.
Whoa.
Pockets. Oh, this is wicked cool. The natural pockets.
Hey, look what I just picked up.
As we navigate the depths of the mine, our gaze is drawn upward to the natural pockets dotting the ceiling, like starlit constellations in the darkness. Above, a shimmering quartz vein traces its path along the tunnel's roof, a testament to the Earth's ancient artistry.
It goes all the way across, see?
Each pocket holds the promise of hidden treasures waiting to be unearthed by those bold enough to reach out for the stars within the Earth's embrace.
We made it as far as we want to go, really. We're probably going to search for our green stuff and then head out. You see that green we were going for? Oh, you can see all the green little fluorite in there.
See the bits of the purple too.
Here's some gorgeous looking pieces.
Yeah.
You get a breeze here. Oh.
But I'm out. That's great, guys. That's how rainbow works. Did someone turn on the air conditioner?
We're happy to be outside in the fresh air. It's a good exploration. We'll go back and we'll see what we got when we get to the car here. Oh, let's see. Hopefully it's in focus. She found purple fluorite. Let's get in the sunlight. Make it glint better. Here we go. You can see that purple form on it. Really gorgeous. I'm headed back to the car. I'm gonna take a look at what we got. Alright, so this is what we have. We got quite a few. I'm trying to get low so the sunlight can actually, you can see in the sunlight better. I have to clean a few of these up, but looks like there's a lot of calcite mixed with fluorite, but we got a few good pieces of the green fluorite mixed in there, if you can't tell. It's just really beautiful looking when you see the actual lines of it. Alright, so me and Megan are back in the car. We're going to use a snack. We have our lovely cucumbers, tomatoes, lemon, and feta cheese.
So good.
With dill and lemon squeeze fresh all over it. It's gonna be delicious. So do a little bit more research, head into town, grab a few things. We'll come back out, get a few more pieces, and we'll call it a day. All right, hit number 2. Gonna get going. Hit that mine, and yeah.
As we venture into the depths of the rock mine, our faces shrouded by mast to fend off the swirling dust, we find ourselves enveloped in a world of shadow and stone once again. The narrow passageways, once familiar, now seem to twist and turn with a life of their own, challenging our progress at every turn. Crawling through cramped tunnels, we navigate by memory and instinct, following the quartz vein on top of the passageway. Near the end, despite any obstacles, we pressed on, driven by the promise of sunlight waiting just beyond the next bend. As we emerge from the darkness into the setting desert sun, we are reminded once again of the delicate balance between the world above and the hidden depths below. With our masks cast aside, we breathe in the fresh air of freedom, grateful for the brief respite from the subterranean labyrinth we just came from.
All right, we just got done We're coming out and the views are gorgeous in the background. You can see back there behind me how it looks. It looks really great with the sun poking through. It's just incredible color.